హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు బుల్లి రిషబ్ టెక్నాలజీ. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ముందుగా ఎవరైతే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోలేదో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కనున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. క్లిక్ చేయడం వల్ల నేను ఏ వీడియో అయితే అప్డేట్ చేస్తుంటానో అవన్నీ మీరు చూడగలుగుతారు. లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సర్క్యూట్స్. ముందుగా మనం ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసుకుందాం. ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ ఈజ్ ద ఇన్విజిబుల్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ which constitutes the flow of electrons in a closed circuit to do work. Electricity can perform various functions such as for lighting, heating, coolers, transportation, communication, driving various types of machines, and for many other applications. In fact, nowadays all our activities totally dependent upon electricity. The only theory that has been survived over the years to explain the nature of electricity is modern electron theory. Okay. In order to appreciate the nature of electricity, it is necessary to consider the structure of matter. Matter is defined as anything that has weight and occupies some space is called matter. According to modern electron theory, every matter is made up of extremely small particles known as molecules. Molecules can further be subdivided chemically into still minute particles known as atoms. An atom is maybe a smallest particle of an element that can exist. The substances whose molecules consist of similar atoms are called elements. The atoms are discovered J.J. Thomson. The atoms have electrons, protons and neutron charge. Electron is negatively charged. Proton and neutron is positively charged. All the materials, gases, solids and liquids are made up of with atoms. These atoms consist of basic particles of charge, that is electron, proton and neutron. Electron is discovered in 1897. Electron also discovered J.J. Thomson. Proton discovered in 1886, Goldstein and Rutherford 1918. Proton charge is positive. Electron charge is negative. Neutron discovered Sir James Chadwick in 1932. Electron charge minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of 19 and electron mass 9.1 into 10 to the power of 31 kg. Proton mass is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 27. Proton charge plus 1.602 into 10 to the power of 19 coulombs. Neutron mass 1.6 into 10 to the power of 27 kg. The units for charge is coulombs. Nucleus means the atom contains protons and neutrons is called nucleus. Atomic weight equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons is equal to atomic weight. Atomic number equal to number of protons or number of atoms, electrons in an atom. We find atomic number. So we know number of protons or electrons we find atomic weight. We know number of protons plus number of neutrons. Atomic structure of some elements. Since electrons are not stationary particles, they move around the nucleus in different paths or orbits in a disciplined manner. Different atoms will have various number of electrons in the concentric shells. about the nucleus. The first shell, which is closest to the nucleus, can contain only 2 electrons. If an atom should have 3 electrons, the third must go to the next shell. The second shell can contain a maximum of 8 electrons, the third 18, and the fourth 32. That means KLMN. Each shell multiplied into 2. The formula is 2 into n square. N equal to 1, 2, 3. The level of the shells is KLMN. K is first orbit contains 2 into 1 square equal to 2 electrons. L level or second orbit contains 2 into 2 square, so 8 electrons. M level or third orbit contains 2 into 3 square, that equal to 3 square, 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 18 electrons. Now n level or fourth orbit contains 2 into 4 square, 4 4 is 16, 16 2 is 32 electrons, and so on. The last orbit cannot accommodate more than 8 electrons. The last but one orbit cannot accommodate more than 18 electrons. Under normal conditions, the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons in an atom. We know the atomic number. So, atomic number equal to number of protons or electrons in an atom. Valency electrons. The electrons in the outermost orbit are called valency electrons. These electrons are so loosely bound to their nucleus and can be detached easily. This is because of electrons in the inner orbit are tightly bound to the nucleus. As the electron move away from nucleus to outer orbit, this bonding decreases, so the electrons in the last orbit are quite loosely bound to the nucleus. Hence, the valency electrons which are very loosely attached to the nucleus of an atom is called free electrons. The number of valency electrons is always less than 8. Conductor. An atom of some substances has less than one of the maximum of 8 valency electrons is called conductor. Conductor example silver, copper, aluminum, etc. Insulators. The atoms of some substances has more than one of the maximum of 8 valency electrons is called insulators. Insulators के example mica, glass, wood, paper, rubber, porcelain, etc. Semiconductors. The atoms of some substances has exactly one of the maximum 8 valency electrons is called semiconductors. That means conductors less than 4 is called conductors, greater than 4 is called insulators, equal 4 is called semiconductors.